This is how I built my credit report from a 550 over to 850 credit score. I know you're wondering how you get over 850. Just check my post, I screenshotted it for you. The first thing I did was got a secured credit card. I recommend a secured credit card and a secured loan, because the more credit you give yourself, the more you're gonna get when it's time for you to get approved for what they call a primary line. So you got a primary, authorized user, and then a secured card. Those are 3 different types of credit you can get. You wanna focus on the secured, and a secured is basically using your own money to extend yourself credit. So you want to zero that balance out. That's the only credit card you want to make sure that you're zeroing out every month, because you don't want to pay interest on your own money. You play the game for about 6 to 8 months, so I will get at least 5 accounts. Secured card, a secured loan, and then they got the credit builder account. So something like Credit Strong, Kickoff, and then like a Tomo card, or you can do the NAV boost. There's many credit builder sites out there, so I would pick at least 5, and I would at least give myself 2 primaries with that secured loan and a secured credit card. For more tips on how to build your credit, follow me and comment below if you have any questions.